Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and you see from my last video that I used that bushcraft tool from Beaver Bushcraft, and that's going on really well. I've been using it a few times now since that video, and it's just performing really well, so I'm happy with that. Now, the only one with that one is that I would have to keep the bubble wrap it came in around it and keep it in my bag. The problem I have with that is sometimes the wrap comes off and I don't want the bag being cut. That's the thing, because the chisel part is quite sharp, because you saw me cut that little cordage. So to solve this problem, I have this one here, and it's a little leather cheap case. I got this I got this from the army shop, and I like the clip because the clip you just put on your belt, so you don't have to take the belt off on and off to put it on. But I got that one, right? So I'll give you a closer look at this now, and I'll show you what I keep in it. But like I said, it's just something nice that, oh, I'm going out for the day, yeah, fine, just grab this, slip it on your belt, good to go kind of thing. But let's have a look what I put in it. Right, so in here, what I keep in it is that little rope fire starter. I kind of like that one. But then there's a bushcraft tool. Again, it's just this part here is really sharp, so I don't want it just cutting everything up. Right, then on the other side here, I just put some jute cordage there. I put the rope, another rope on there, and then a little bag of again jute, some fire plugs, a little bit of fat wood, some sulfur matches, and then a little bit of chalk cloth on the bottom there, and just a little bit of tinder. That's all it is. So on the back, like I said, there's a stamp there of who made it, but this clip is quite good strength to it, retention to it, and these clips are nice. I'll let you know the shop I bought it from, because I think it's in Taunton. I'll double check that, and you can go and pick these up yourself because they have plenty of them there. It was, I believe, £7.95, and it's feels like leather, looks well made, so I'm happy with that. So if you want to keep your Beaver Bushcraft tool there safe, just pick up something like this. So that's just a little update video on what I've been up to. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like and share. I got a few more videos coming up now. The recent storm took out most of my stuff in my garden, and my son hasn't been well, so I haven't been able to get too far from the house. So hopefully I'm going to plan some trips to a bushcraft show, and go to the woods for a couple of days. But yeah, so that's on the pipes anyway. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.